Hey friends, welcome back to AMB's Kitchen, and today we have a grocery haul for you. So in this series, over the next couple weeks, what we're just doing is going to be going through some of the prepping items for like an emergency situation. We're not going out this winter, as many of you know. So we're just getting our pantry prepared for that. This is just the start of it. This is just one big haul here, but going on, we'll just show you some of the things that we have regarding like canned protein, canned vegetables, you know, quick meals, things like that. They'll be in little segments. So this is the first video of the series. So just going through, we have some peanut butter here, and we have honey. This isn't a part of the haul, so I'm just going to take that down. So we also have some jam here. This is a really good spread from Costco. We have some Keystone canned meat here, canned chicken, and then we have Kirkland's canned chicken and the tuna. Then we have some salmon. Like I said, Lysol as well. This isn't a part of the haul, I'm sorry. So we have salmon here. And then when I was talking about quick meals, I mean like the quick pastas, like the raviolis and the maybe chili. We have some corned beef hash back here, things like that. So that's that. And carrying on, back here we have ramen noodles. And then we have our extra long grain rice back there. Coming into this area, we have some vegetables. We have our green beans, we have pancake mix, and then we have black beans back there. I don't know if you all can see that. We also have corn. So, and then there's more beans back there as well. Those are just black beans, canned northern beans, things like that. We have our big thing of pinto beans here. And then we have some Bush's baked bean. There we go. Bush's baked beans right there. Pancake mix right there. We have our noodle section, our pastas, soups, and then we have sweet corn back here as well. So, like I said before, we're just going to be breaking these down into sections. So I'll bring out all the pasta for the winter, all the vegetables, you know, things like that. I picked up some of these instant potatoes. We try to keep them. We have some like whole, you know, fresh potatoes, but we're trying to get either boxed or packaged just to keep in our pantry, you know, for the time being. We have quinoa, another thing we picked up in packets. These are really good. If you haven't tried them, you really should. They're from Costco. You can pick them up at your local Costco. We have Alfredo sauce here. I don't know if we can see the packaging. Here we go. So yeah, we have some classic Alfredo sauce. And then we have some spaghetti sauce. Some tomato sauce, I should say. The Kirkland brand. This is a really good organic brand. It's usually what we go with if we don't go with the Rouse or Rails or something like that. So yeah, that's that. We have bone broth. We only have one pack of chicken broth from Costco, but the rest we get is bone because we just prefer it a little bit more than chicken. Well, let me speak for myself. I prefer it more than chicken. We have Ritz crackers here for any type of like chicken salads or tuna salads that we may have. And then we have some like instant meal pasta meals here, so we like to keep those on hand. We have another pasta for lasagna. We have some potatoes right here. And then we picked up some canned milk. This is evaporated milk. We have powdered milk too, but we just like to keep a couple cans. And then this is condensed milk for the cakes and things that my aunt cooks. That's self-explanatory. Germ-X or hand sanitizer. And I think we have it all. So this was the Costco haul, mixed in with like a Kroger's. We call it pick and save, but that is the haul. Trying to keep it at a minimum, so maybe like a week worth of videos and then we're done. I don't know, but so yeah, we just want to say thank you for the support. We have over 700 subscribers now, and we are pushing our way to continue our goal. So this is the start of something new, and I hope you all enjoy and you all have a great day.